To find the work done due to gravity, I can write work done due to gravity is equal to mg times h plus d times cos 0 is equal to mg times h plus d, because we know the value of cos 0 is 1. Now work done due to beam, so I can write W beam is equal to FH cos 180 is equal to minus FH, because the value of cos 180 is minus 1. Now the net work done on the object is found from the work energy theorem, which states that the work done on an object is equal to the change of its kinetic energy. Therefore, I can write the total work, or sigma W, is equal to difference of kinetic energy delta K. Here we have two work done. One is due to gravity plus another one is due to beam, is equal to 1 half m Vf square, the final kinetic energy, and 1 half mvi square, the initial kinetic energy. Now the work done due to gravity is mg h plus d minus fh. Minus fh is the work done due to beam, is equal to 0 minus 0. Therefore, F is equal to mg h plus d upon h. Now let's put all the values. So the m value is here 2100, g value is 9.8, h is 0.12, and d is 5. Again h is 0.12. So we have the final answer is equivalent to 8.78 into 10 to power 5 Newton, because we know the unit of the force is Newton.